Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Singh. Hope you are doing well and I'm back with another video on health and fitness from Singh and Secrets. Okay, so आज की वीडियो में हम क्या बात करने वाले हैं? मैं केवल एक ही एक्सरसाइज के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ that will help you in reducing the weight at overall level. Okay? And ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जिसके बारे में आप नहीं जानते. It's just sometimes we do not focus enough. So of course I'm going to tell you about this exercise and इसके क्या benefit होते हैं और इसको आप कैसे कर सकते हो, right? And I'll also share my journey how this exercise helped me to start with, right? Also, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर पहली बार आ रहे हो, so please subscribe this channel and do watch this video. If you find this helpful, then please like, comment and share with your friends. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, तो जिस एक्सरसाइज के बारे में मैं बात करने वाली हूँ वो है रनिंग. Okay, I know अभी आप सोचोगे there is nothing new in that. True, there is nothing new that I'm telling you, but I just wanted to highlight the importance of running. Okay, so let me share my journey with you first. So around 4 to 5 years back, when I was working and enjoying my life very casually, then suddenly I realized that I am at the borderline of my BMI index. Okay, and that actually concerned me because I always wanted to stay healthy and look good. So I thought, dude, this is a high time that you have to do something. Okay, so I used to weigh around 66 kgs at that point of time, and what did I do? I joined the gym. I joined Zumba classes within that. Okay, so of course I started enjoying Zumba and it did help me to a certain extent. So after 6 months, I was able to reduce to 63 kgs. And then post that, I was able to reduce my weight up to 60 kgs. But after a certain point of time, I was not able to reduce further. I was stuck. Okay. And of course, I did try to make some changes in my diet also. We all know how important role diet plays in weight loss journey. And of course, I'm going to make separate video on diet, but in this particular video I just want to focus on running only particularly. Okay, so yeah, I mean 3 years I continued for 3 years, but I was not seeing any improvement in my body. Okay, then what happened, of course, due to work, job change, city change, and in new city, of course, the schedule was totally different. I was not getting time to work out in morning. So what I decided is that at least I'll try to squeeze 30 minutes from my schedule, before going to the office. So अगर उसके लिए मुझे morning में जल्दी उठना भी पड़े, so that is also fine. So I moved into a nice society, and of course there were a lot of nice parks inside. So I took advantage of all those facilities, and after following the same routine for 3 to 4 months, I was able to further reduce like 5 kgs. Okay, and this is the only exercise which is helping me so far. Okay, so what we can do and how we can do in this lockdown time. Okay, so first, of course, you can join the gym if your city has allowed for this, only in that case. And also, it is not the safest option right now. Second option is identify the nearest park or any open space near to your house. Okay, so where you can go and run. Third is, like, sometimes we do underestimate, is that open space within the house. It could be your terrace, it could be your lawn area. It may happen for some of us, the area is not that big. Okay, but even in that case, you do not have to run straight. You can take multiple rounds and still run. The fourth and very, very effective way to do this is like buy a treadmill if possible. Trust me, this is going to be great investment for your health. Okay, so we talked about running. Now the biggest challenge is how do we motivate ourselves every single day to do this. Okay, so I'm going to talk about, of course, 2 things. One is motivation, second is dedication. So how I kept myself motivated. So the first reason was that I've been always concerned about my health. And of course, along with health, if I can be in shape, that is like a great advantage for me. Second thing, of course, doing a lot of exercise helped me in keeping myself very, very energetic all the day. Like I do not feel lazy as such. Okay, I feel always energetic, enthusiastic most of the time in my day. And third thing, definitely, when you are exercising, you just cannot exercise without anything. So get a good earphone and plug in your ears and listen something. So personally, what I used to do, I used to plug with my work. Let's say, during my work, if I have to know something, for example, just for example, let's say there was a time in between when I was very curious about the stock market. Okay, so what I used to do, I used to listen all those videos. What is stock market? This and that. Unrelated stuff. Similarly, you can choose to listen what's it talking about the dedication. So there's only one and most important factor for the dedication is routine, making a routine. So what do I mean by the routine? Like for some of us, the mornings are much more comfortable, whereas कुछ लोगों को evenings ज़्यादा पसंद है, ठीक है? Personally, I like to do exercise in morning because everything is so peaceful around you and your mind is also in a good state. So it's a good way to start your day, and of course I feel pretty relaxed when I'm done with the exercise in the morning itself, so I can enjoy throughout my day. I can have plans in the evening also. But of course some of you might be having a very hectic mornings, so you can choose to do this exercise in evening, but make a routine, right? That is the important thing. You cannot do like आज morning में कर लिया, फिर evening में, फिर दिन में, फिर कभी शाम में. It won't work like this. So we talked about lot many things, channels, motivation, dedication, but I want to talk about another important factor is track, or I can say performance measurement. Okay, how you can do it? Of course, you can have Fitbit. You can download a similar application in your mobile phone, so through which you can definitely track. But whenever you are tracking, track on some metric basis. For example, time can be the metric for you. Like if you want to do exercise every day for 30 minutes, then follow that. Similarly, in terms of calories also, you can decide that if you want to burn like 200-300 calories every day, then choose that. So have some metrics, and accordingly you will be able to set some bar for yourself. Okay, now let's talk about alternative. काफ़ी लोग ऐसे हो सकते हैं जिनको रनिंग में इशू हो सकता है बिकॉज ऑफ मेनी अदर थिंग्स, कुड बी एज और बिकॉज ऑफ एनी अदर प्रॉब्लम. सो व्हाट इज द ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर दैम? द वेरी सिंपल ऑल्टरनेटिव इज वॉकिंग. आई नो you are aware about this thing, but again I just want to highlight that walking is really helpful. Okay, so like me myself, I do this thing every day, that I try to complete 10,000 steps every single day minimum. So any person who is not able to run because of any issue, then definitely walking, track your number of steps. So for an average person, 10,000 is a good number for a single day, but as per your health or as per your age, you can choose to have certain set of target. Like I would say, like for people who are old and not able to run, definitely then you can have 5,000 to 6,000 of steps every day. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and I enjoyed it while making it, and hopefully you have also enjoyed it. So if you have liked it, then please share this video, comment on this video, like it, and keep watching and stay safe. Bye bye, take care.